Christmas is almost here, and the best time is to make this perfect Christmas spiced granola. You've got to watch this video, so yum. Let's get to it. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and why not give a comment below, see what you think of our recipe. Love to hear what you think. And if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up as well. This Christmas spiced granola is finally ready to eat. Delicious, crunchy, great for a snack, great for the kids' lunch boxes as well. Awesome breakfast. You're gonna love it. You can probably make it all year round. Trust me, you will. You'll love this recipe. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.